This is by far our favorite burger. It's the Yellowbeard or Beer Can Bacon Burger. Some of you will recognize. In fact, we were the original creators of the Beer Can Bacon Burger. You'll see it all over the web. The world's most famous burger. And of course, this is how you do it. You take some ground beef, you make a flat burger patty out of it, and you take your favorite beer can. And what you're going to do is wrap it like a mold, and you're going to create a pocket. Perfect. Now, to keep everything together, you're going to take some bacon. We got pork belly bacon here, the regular cut, and you want to use the pound bacon type, right? Now, look what you've done here. You've created a pocket. Now you fill it with what you like. Here we've got some of those pre-boiled little potatoes in here. Here we've got some corned beef. Again, let me show you how to do it. Take your favorite beer can, right? Mold the burger around it. Ground chuck is best. Just like that. Take some bacon, wrap it. The bacon keeps everything together. It constricts like a boa constrictor. The longer it cooks, the tighter it gets. You've got your pocket. Here we're putting in some chili. Now all of these ingredients going inside have been pre-cooked, right? You want to make sure everything is cooked thoroughly. Now, to the grill we go. Indirect, opposite the hot coals. We don't want to burn the bottom. We want to kind of like bake these. And in no time at all, these Yellowbeards are done. Now, this is how we finish it off. This is the Yellowbeard part. You take your favorite egg and you crack it in. Oh, yeah, baby. Just like that. Whoa, Lord have mercy. And look at that. A double yoker. 2 for the price of 1. Yeah, perfect. Again, we'll cook it. Cook the eggs to the way you like them. But for the Yellowbeard, we like them to shake a bit, just like that. Oh, baby. Now, take your favorite burger bun or whatever you got, right? Set it up the way you like. And this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat it in front of you, and they're not apologizing. Whoa, yeah. Check it out, the Yellowbeard Burger, or the Beer Can Bacon Burger by the BBQ Pit Boys. And remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.